Especially Miss Ana Puno, thank you so much. Our San Francisco producers, Blessed Production, thank you so much. Miss Nympha and Rani Ilaga, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. RBA Production, Sir Robert and Minia Atendido, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And of course, special thanks to BFF Production by Miss Katie Ortiz. Thank you, Miss Katie.
Face card nila lahat.
And special thanks to our San Francisco line producers, Taray and Kulit Production, Ben Topacio and Sony de Guzman. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, and of course, thank you as well to our tour sponsors, Philippine Airlines, our official airline. And also to MTS Law Firm, Me TV Law Firm, Discovery Boracay, and Discovery Corona.
Oh, nice. And of course, lastly, thanks to our music label, Sony Music Entertainment. Thank you, Sony.
So, I just have a question again. You guys are already? You want to dance again? Are you down to dance again? Okay, because we are going to do a TikTok challenge. Is that fine with you? I think we're all tired. Is that fine with you? Come on, everyone. So,
Pablo!
you don't have to dance. You don't have to
Give it to him.
as long as you have fun.
Give it to him, baby.
Okay?
Give it to him.
Are you guys listening? Yeah! Oh, that's great. Okay, let's do it. Alright. Okay.
Pao, here.
The music? The music down. The music down.
Pao!
Are you guys ready?
Pablo!
Okay.
When we count to 3, everyone, dance. Is that okay? Everyone say, Gokana! Gokana! Ready? 1, 2,
Okay, since you're up here already, we want to take a groovy as well. Is that fine? Yeah. Let's take a groovy together.
They're gonna have a picture now.
Okay?
Okay, 5, 3, 2, 1, smile.
When we count to 3, everyone shout, Simula Bukas World Tour San Francisco! Okay, are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, Simula Bukas World Tour San Francisco! One more time, 3, 2, 1, Simula Bukas World Tour San Francisco! Thank you, AT. Thank you, U5. Thank you so much. Wow. You guys do you still have energy, guys? Okay, challenge is started. Okay, you guys want to say something? You want to say something?
Since nandito sila sa harap, gusto ko sila maka-heart to heart. Ako gusto ko mga singsilan. It has been 7 years na nabuo kami. And we've had a lot of struggles, pagsubok na nalagpasan. And it wasn't easy. It was a journey na talagang such a miracle na nasurvive namin lahat ng mga pagsubok na yun, despite sa mga, you know, like people Minumock nila kami. Hindi kami tanggap ng music industry before, but we survived. And we almost quit. There were a lot of times that we almost quit because,
Look at them.
this thing right here, it's too fragile, So, it's just like a glass, Talagang ang bilis niya basagin talaga eh. Ang bilis niya basagin, sobrang bilis i-build up. Sobrang hirap i-build ng confidence ng isang tao. And then, some people with that tongue, isang word lang, talagang basag siya agad eh. So, I just want to tell you guys na pangalagaan niyo yung puso niyo. Pangalagaan niyo yung sarili niyo. As much as we, take care of ourselves also. And 7 years is not easy. Kahit nga sa relationship natin, di ba, pag mayroon tayong mga relasyon. 7 years na journey is not easy. It's really not easy. 7 years is really, really long. And mahabang oras, mahabang pasensya, and mahabang pag-ibinawa. So, ayun na naman po ang aking masisilang let's take care of our mental health, our, puso natin, let's take care of our hearts.
With purpose. You know what? We don't always go here. We just wish that we got the message that we're trying to say here on stage. Earlier we were telling you to cherish your moments, never quit, inspire each other. Those are trite statements. Gas-gas na. Pero sometimes, sa gulo ng mundo, parang kailangan mo na ng reminder from your friend, from each other. Para ma-inspire kayo mo, motivate kayo to do the things you love. So, yun, sana nakuha niyo yung message natin sa concert namin. And hopefully, we get to come back and perform on a bigger stage. So, yun nga, kung naman sinasabi, lagi lang sinasabi, be an inspiration to each other. Maraming salamat. Before we go on our last song, ano to eh? Comment mo to eh.
Siyempre nyo sa buwan na buwan kami eh. Medyo breaking down dito eh. Pero para mag-ising kami, or for all the people who listen to yourself, Filipino, can you please turn on your light sticks and put it up?
Okay, Mariah, light stick. Come on.
The blue ocean wave.
Light stick.
Blue ocean wave this. Is it called blue?
Blue ocean.
No, it's color. It's blue.
It's okay. It's okay.
Can you turn off your a little bit of the house lights a little bit? Okay, so what we're doing today is we're gonna do it from the front to the back. The second floor and then again. Okay? Put it up, everyone. Come on, put it up. Be proud. And 3, 2, 1, go! Back again! Come on, now scream! Last one! Let's get another one! Okay, that was really good.
Ang galing.
Yun lang how di ka
Kaya mo yan! So, may ba lagi siyang
They wave. They would wave. How? The blue ocean wave, how do they
You ask
wave?
Josh, please. Sabihin ni Josh. Can you ask for Josh? Come on.
But guys, this concert, this story, and this moment, we made it with you. For 18, for everyone. And ngayon pala, alam natin that the world is watching SB19 and 18 mula simula hanggang sa wakas. Kaya ngayon pala ng 18, gusto namin sabihin na SLMT18!
Give it to him so you can get the
This is our song. This has been SB